Hi everybody, this is Robert at Scott Leroy Marketing. Today we're going to show you how to set up text alerts, quote unquote, from your KW website powered by Placester using email to text. This should work for most, if not all, cell phone providers. If this does not work for your cell phone provider, please contact your provider directly, as they will be able to get you more information about email to text that we do not have. First, you'll want to send a text message from your phone to your email address. Note that you're not opening the Mail app on your phone, but the Messaging app. In the To field, enter your email address rather than a phone number. Do note that iPhone is shown here, but it will work on Android as well. Then just enter and send a short test message. You should see your message in your inbox shortly. Just open it up and copy the address that it was sent from. It usually has your full 10-digit number at the beginning, followed by @ and then something to do with the name of your carrier. For example, AT&T's email to text address is at mms.att.net. Now jump over to your mykw.kw.com homepage. In the top black menu, hover over Technology and then click on KW Websites. And then on that page, click on the red Go to My Website button. Once the Placester dashboard loads, click Edit Site on the left under Quick Actions. Scroll all the way down to the More section and then click Lead Capture. Scroll all the way down again and then paste in the address you just copied, then make sure to click Save at the bottom right. You can enter this address after existing addresses that are already in this box. Just make sure you separate them with a comma. It cannot be a colon, cannot be a semicolon, can't be a line break. You can't hit enter. It has to be a comma between this address and any previous addresses. Now, if you go over to the contact page on your website and submit a lead, you should be notified on your phone, which will include an attachment. It is safe to open this attachment. Opening the attachment will show you that lead's information. If you have any additional questions about this, feel free to send us an email at support@scottleroymarketing.com.